Viewers, today is an important day at the Supreme Court as petitions have been filed at the Apex Court demanding an SIT probe into the Murshidabad violence. And today, the Supreme Court is all set to hear the petitions seeking a court-monitored probe into Murshidabad violence that erupted during protests against the Waqf Amendment Act. Just yesterday, the National Commission for Women and also West Bengal governor visited several affected areas, and they also spoke to the victims about what exactly happened and also their condition at the moment. And they were shocked to find that women and children have been traumatized by the entire incident that unfolded in Murshidabad. Now, this particular visit has brought out several horrifying stories to the fore because the National Commission for Women, NCW chief, has spoken out about the kind of ordeals that the victims shared with her. Many women were targeted, they were attacked, molested, and even sexually assaulted. These are the kind of stories that are now coming to the fore. Hundreds of families have been displaced, many of them now living in relief camps in West Bengal, and some of the violence victims have also moved to the neighboring state. So the priority at the moment for the NCW, the NHRC and the West Bengal governor is to repatriate them to their homes and also to rehabilitate and facilitate relief for these violence-affected victims. All of this happened during the violent protest during the Waqf Amendment Act showdown in West Bengal, where Hindu homes were torched, families were targeted and attacked. And now it's an important day in the Apex Court as the Supreme Court is all set to hear petitions filed before it, seeking a court-monitored probe into the Murshidabad violence. Riyanka is joining me live from the national capital. Riyanka, petitions will be heard at the Apex Court. What can we expect during the hearing?
Well, yes, Deepak, the Murshidabad violence, in fact, regarding the Waqf Amendment Act, saw that there were, damage to properties as well as death to two people. But in fact, there have been an PIL which has been filed in the top court, which demanded that there has to be a formation of a 5-member inquiry committee under the supervision of the Supreme Court, which will be, in fact, be led by one of the former, judges of the Supreme Court, who will be rather going ahead and conducting inquiry of that particular incident that had happened. This is a PIL which was, in fact, filed. The PIL also demands that a status report from the side of the West Bengal government must also be filed in this particular case, apart from maintaining and curbing the violence that has happened in Murshidabad. Now, this PIL has been listed in front of the bench of Justice Suryakant as well as Justice N.K. Singh, who will be taking up the matter today for hearing. Although the item number is 4748, we have to wait and see as to what time does the hearing happen. But yes, all eyes will be on this important, your hearing, where arguments will be put forward, as there is in fact demands of a court-monitored inquiry into the violence that hit Murshidabad, where people were protesting against the amendments made in the Waqf Act.